Make a list for yourself. Involvement with family and friends. Examples: inviting people to do things, keeping in contact with friends, returning phone calls, going to a social group or class. Self-care. Examples: getting dressed each day, following your usual self-care routine. For example, washing face, brushing teeth, shaving, or putting makeup on. Exercising regularly. Eating properly. Personally rewarding activities. Examples: reading, walking, playing a computer game, watching TV, playing cards or games, gardening, listening to music, looking at a social networking site, doing a crossword. Small duties. Examples: opening bills, paying bills, housework, food shopping, running errands, tidying up a bit. Pick your goals. Now pick two of the activities that you listed that are the most practical for you to start changing right now. Your first two choices should be from different areas. Write them down. Make your goals SMART. For each of the activities you have chosen, set a doable goal for the coming week. Remember, when you are depressed, it is often very difficult to get moving. As a result, you'll need to set smaller goals than you usually would. To succeed, your goals should be SMART. S for specific. Your goal should be very clear, so you'll know when you have done it. M for manageable. Start off with smaller goals. A good place to start is choosing a task that you can handle, no matter how bad you're feeling. A for active. Make a plan for what you will do, not how you'll think or feel while you're doing it. R for realistic. Your goal should be easy enough to do even if you feel terrible. T for time. It'll help to carry the goal out if you decide when and how you're going to do it, as well as how many times or for how long. An example of setting a SMART goal in a complicated situation is shown below. Susan hadn't looked at her bills for a month or even opened her post. Knowing that getting her finances in order was important, but feeling like it was too much to do in one go, she decided to do it in a few steps. Firstly, she decided to spend 5 minutes each day just opening the envelopes that she had piled up, but not looking at the letters. Once she had opened everything, she decided to spend 5 minutes each day looking at the letters and putting them in order of importance. Once she had done this, she decided to make a plan for dealing with them. She decided that Monday evening would be a good time to start this.